Hello, I'm CJ Yin. This is a quick video to show how to select and crop in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can make a selection. We can use Marquee Tool. I will choose rectangular Marquee Tool and then click and drag on the image to make a selection. Next, we can go to Image and Crop to crop image by using the selection. So this is the first way to crop the entire image by using the crop tool. Now, if we want to crop the layer, we can make a selection first, and then we can go to layer and then select the layer that we want to crop, and then go to bottom. We can find layer mask. Click to add the layer mask so we can crop the layer. So this is how we can select and crop the image and crop the layer in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Yin. See you in the next video.